In today's 1 minute video lesson, we're going to be talking about a death cross. Now, this is going to be the opposite of a golden cross, and it's simply just reversed. A death cross, in short, is when a shorter moving average, primarily the 50, crosses down through the 200-day simple moving average. So this is a primary example of what a death cross would be. This is an hourly chart, so there aren't going to be too many of them, especially on Apple because Apple's been moving up for so long. But you can see in these three examples, the 50-day simple moving average crosses down through the 200-day simple moving average, which is called the death cross, and there is some short-term selling. Now, you can see that the short-term selling here actually is more of a signal to get long in the future because it is just sort of a dip buying opportunity, but it doesn't change the fact that the principle behind a death cross is when the 50-day simple moving average crosses down through the 200-day simple moving average. So when markets are short and stocks are rallying and the overall prevailing trend is to the downside like we've seen lately, the big thing that you might want to look for is a death cross. Now when you see a death cross, I'm not saying trade the actual sell signal that the death cross is offering you, but it is an opportunity to zoom into a lower time frame to see how you could potentially get short that stock. With all that being said, if you want to learn more about death crosses, golden crosses, or take advantage of over 220 hours of video lessons that we have packed away in our catalog, there is going to be a link below for you to get involved with the J. Lewis Trading All Access Pass subscription, which is new. We've just run a pilot program. It's been exceptionally popular, and if you're a newer trader or a trader that's looking to expand their horizons with strategies, again, we've got over 220 hours of content for you to take advantage of, and it's all offered at less than the cost of subscribing to Netflix.